Hello traders and welcome to OptionsXO London Session Daily Market Review for Thursday, April 21st. Starting it off with U.S. markets, all three main U.S. stock indexes traded moderately higher yesterday along with the U.S. dollar as major housing data came in better than expected. U.S. dollar futures are gaining slightly ahead of today's release of important economic data. Moving on to Asian markets, major indexes in China and Japan made large gains as investors followed global markets higher and reacted to a weak Japanese yen. Japanese yen futures are currently slightly higher. Australian dollar futures paired yesterday's losses and are trading a bit higher after this morning's optimistic business confidence reading. And in European markets, major European stock indexes were led higher yesterday by commodity producers and banking stocks. Index futures are rising again today. The euro was pushed lower yesterday by expectations that the European Central Bank will likely vote in favor of a very loose monetary policy at today's meeting. Euro futures are currently consolidating. The British pound has been declining against the US dollar since yesterday's underperforming employment readings. In commodities highlights, crude oil prices are trading flat to lower this morning as major oil producer Russia hinted at an output hike. Gold prices are making gains despite a relatively strong US dollar as commodity prices rise. And here are today's important economic events. At 8:30 a.m. GMT, a monthly UK retail sales reading is due out. This data measures the change in value of sales at the retail level and is a major gauge of consumer spending. Economists expect to see a decline of 0.1% today. At 11:45 a.m., the European Central Bank will release its minimum bid interest rate decision, which is expected to hold at 0%, and this will be followed by an ECB press conference at 12:30 p.m. At 12:30 p.m. also, the U.S. Philly Fed Manufacturing Index will be released. This is based on surveys of manufacturers in Philadelphia. A reading below zero indicates pessimism, and this reading is expected to come in at 8.1%. 8.1 rather. Also at 12:30 p.m., the U.S. Department of Labor will release its weekly unemployment claims reading. This is a measurement of the number of people who filed for unemployment benefits for the first time during the previous week. Economists expect this data to show an increase of 265,000. And at 2 p.m., Bank of England Governor Mark Carney is due to speak at the United Nations in New York. This was today's London Session Daily Market Review. Have a happy and profitable trading day.